Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravinder Khani, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Zoology, Med Pushpabhi Patil, Arts and Science College, Mysore, District Washington. Last lecture we already discussed the habitats, habitats, psychological scapha, and then structure and body structure, or external structures of scapha. We already discussed in last lecture. Now the point number 2.3, that is the internal structure or histology structure or different types of cells in scapha or cycle. Histological structure of scapha. Different types of cell in scapha are as follows. Let's Scapha is also, we can say that it is an aquatic organism or sedentary organism. Okay, it shows a cellular grid of organization. That is the its cell also form loose aggregation and are not organized into a tissue. म्हणजे त्यांचं सेल जे आहे त्यांचं एक कसं असतं तो तिथं एकदम लूज आहे. म्हणजे ते बंच ऑफ सेल तिथं आपल्याला याच्या बॉडीमध्ये दिसणार नाही. म्हणजे आपण तिथं टिश्यू जे आहे तर ट्रू टिश्यू तिथं आपल्याला दिसणार नाही. बॉडीमध्ये बघितल्यानंतर इंटरनल आपण बघतो. It show the diploblastic nature. It has म्हणजे diploblastic in nature. Diplo means two. टू लेअर आहेत. एक आहे डर्मल लेअर, दुसरी आहे गॅस्ट्रल लेअर. डर्मल लेअर म्हटलं की आउटर लेअर, गॅस्ट्रल म्हणजे इंटर लेअर. इन बिटवीन टू लेअर मेझेनकायमा इज प्रेझेंट. म्हणजे डर्मल लेअर आणि गॅस्ट्रल लेअर याच्यामध्ये जी लेअर आहे ती म्हणजे कोणती लेअर आहे, मेझेनकायमा इज प्रेझेंट. मेझेनकायमा मेनी अमोबाइट्स साइड amoebocytes cells are also present. Cells are present. Thermal means outermost layer body. त्याला म्हटलं असते पिनॅकोडर्म्स. It has two kinds of cell. म्हणजे thermal जे outer layer आहे त्याला पिनॅकोडर्म म्हणतात आणि याला ही two kind पिनॅकोडर्म्स म्हणजे outer जी लेयर आहे इथे किती दोन टाईपची सेल येतात. एक आहे पिनॅकोसाइट्स, दुसरे पोरोसाइट्स. पिनॅकोसाइट्स मीन्स काय, फ्लॅट सेल असतात. पॉलिगोनल त्याचा शेप आहे, थिन आहेत, न्यूक्लिएटेड आहेत आणि ऑल द सेल आर क्लोजली फिटेड विदाउट intercellular space. These layers give protection to the body. They are highly contractile in nature. They covering this the sporozoal also. Okay, all the characters also in under the pinacocytes. Then porocytes means these are modified. The pinacocyte modified म्हणजे काय? Porocytes. These are modified pinacocytes. These are cylindrical cells. त्या सेलमध्ये एक सेंट्रलला कोर आहे, न्यूक्लियस आहे प्रेझेंट इन दॅट पेरिफेरल. इन द पिनॅकोडर्म these cells are present here and there. They connect in current canal with radial canal through their intracellular opening. त्यालाच म्हटलं जाते porocytes. त्याला काय म्हटलं जाते प्रोटोफाइल्स. त्याला म्हटलं जाते प्रोटोफाइल्स. This is all about the dermal. Okay. Then dermal. Then epithelial cell. In between these, the polypocytes in epithelial cell is also present because of epithelial cells. The inner crustal layer is also complete. Yes, is complete. Then mesenchyma. In between the pineacoderm and poroderm, mesenchyma is present. In this the mesenchyma, many amoeba-shaped amoebocytes are present. They perform a different function. In mesenchyma, the myocytes. These amoebocytes are muscular in nature. They show contraction and expansion. They are present around the opening or like ostia or osculum. When conditions are unfavorable, these amoebocytes will contract and close the opening. This is all about the myocytes. Chromocytes, here the amoebocytes contain the different type of the pigments. They are colored because of the amoebocytes. The spongia will get color. Amoebocytes क्या करते हैं, स्पॉन्जाला काय करते, will get the color देते कारण त्याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे काय आहेत, पिगमेंट येते तिथे. Kesocytes, these amoebocytes will store the food material. Amoebocytes material food कसं आहे, स्टोअर करते फूड मटेरियल during this starving period and asexual production. They are also useful. They are round in shape. Okay. Scleroblast. These amebocytes will produce spicules. Three types of the calcoblast, silcoblast, and spongioblast. Calco means calcareous spicules. Silco means ciliaceous spicules. Spongio means spongy fibers. This type of the then archocytes, big in size. These are big in size. Reservoir cell, they have blunt pseudopodia, large nucleus and phagocytic and help on digestion. They are totipotent cell that is capable of transforming themselves into other type of cell. They give rise to sex cell. So that play important role in regeneration. Cell, lymphocytes, lymphocytes of these cells give this slender branches pseudopodia. All these branches form the network, hence they are called the connective tissue. Trophocytes, these cells show the pseudopodia. They collect food from collar cell and digest it. They distribute the digested food. Then gland cell, then germ cell. In gland cell, this cell produce the extension of dermal and secret sticky matter, which is useful to sponsor for the attachment. Germ cell also O and sperm have a different form. Ademocytes, thus in the body of the cyclone, different types of the cell are present. This is the cyclone sponges remove collar, food particle in mucus, this is food particles. This is the phonocyte, this is the phagocytes, the amoebocytes, this type of the flagellum, amoebocytes, amoeba shape structure of the proteins. This is the phonocyte cells as seen in under the microscope. Nucleus, basically microcollar, collar, opening is root-like processor, mesomeria, nucleus. This is all about this, the internal or different type of the cell in the scapa or cycle. Thank you everyone.